Hello and good evening from the Eden Project to our friends in the beautiful city of Christchurch. I speak from inside what was once the crater of a derelict clay mine poisoned by mineral waste, in which we created more than 90,000 tons of soil and then imported more than 6,000 species of plants useful to humankind in millions and millions in number. We then created the beautiful conservatories that are now famous throughout the world. Some call them the eighth wonder of the world, as a vehicle, as a canvas, if you like, to paint an educational story about our dependence on that natural world, because without being able to understand that we are at one with the natural world, humankind is doomed. We believe that actually this project is important, that it should entertain, that people realize the environment is about us. 20 million people have so far agreed since we opened in the year 2001, and Cornwall itself has benefited to the tune of around £2 billion since opening day. Since we opened 17 years ago, we had an ambition to move further afield, to tell the story in other settings, with other peoples, with other partners, to demonstrate that this story of regeneration and education could be replicated absolutely anywhere, but with a tone of voice that was unique to wherever it was that we were with our partners. If you like, building a platform. So for us, the thrill of finding friends in New Zealand, probably one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and in Christchurch itself, a place that has had its travails over the last few years, alongside the beautiful River Avon in what is now the Red Zone, was a chance too good to give up. It was when we came to Christchurch for the first time 2 years ago and met the Matapapori Trust and the Lincoln Design Lab and the EOS Ecology Group that we realised that there was something very special on the cards here, because it's a funny thing to say, but we liked everybody and we felt that everybody was fired up by a desire to do something really, really special. So when you looked at the River Avon and the fact that in the past it had been a famous mahinga kai, a bread basket that provided absolutely everything, we felt there was a really big cultural, traditional story to tell, as well as a melding of indigenous thought and scientific thought coming together in one place. And we're living at a time which I think is the first time in humankind's history where we're able to look at intuitive thought, if you like, and scientific thought as being part of the same coin, two sides of the same coin. So for us, it is a huge privilege to be given the opportunity to think about working with you, and we hope that this is a first step towards creating something that is going to be globally memorable and genuinely unique.